How to hide notification on lock screen on iPhone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open settings application in your mobile device. Once you are inside settings, scroll below and then tap on notification. Now once you are inside notification, simply tap on show previews. Now make sure it is selected to never. With this step, you will not be able to see any previews of your notification. But if you want to hide your notification on lock screen, you want to go ahead and scroll below. Here you will find all of the apps. So if you do not want the notification of Instagram, tap onto it. And from here, what you can do is simply toggle off the button that says allow notification. With this button toggle off, you will not be able to hear the sound of your notification, neither the badge of notification. So go ahead and toggle off the button that says allow notifications, and then the notification will be hidden on your lock screen. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.